In today's video, we are talking about addressing the three blocks that are preventing you from creating the success and money that you deserve within your life. This is going to be a practical video that goes over the steps that are going to allow for you to actually step into that version of yourself that no longer freezes and can actually show up in a way that compounds your success and builds your net worth sustainably. Our action plan for this, to summarize the video very quickly, is we're going to regulate, we're going to identify those blocks, we're going to step in with the appropriate belief work, we're going to figure out what actions we need to take that are in alignment with that belief work, and then we're going to gather the proper evidence to support the belief work that we're doing so that we can consistently step into this version of ourselves and finally materialize the success that we deserve. So if that sounds good to you, let's get into the three blocks that you need to address in order to create more money and success within your life. The first one is the fear that we have around being seen and visibility. Now, why is this important? If you're a business owner, you have a product, you have a service, or whatever your income stream is, we need to be able to take center stage, and we need to do that in an authoritative manner because that sets the example for our business and our own success, right? If you don't believe in yourself and your product and you are shying away from visibility, then what customer or client is going to believe in you and what you have to offer? Right? So we need to address that. The second thing that we need to address is any sort of beliefs that we may hold about success and money in general. And I know so many people grow up in environments where money is demonized, it's bad, it's evil, or maybe they grew up in an environment where success just was not normalized. So a reason as to why you are consistently freezing and not taking the action you need to take, even if you have the plans to create the success, is because deeper down, there is a version of you that is holding on to these beliefs and assumptions that is afraid of that success, that cannot normalize receiving that money, that cannot normalize allowing yourself to fully succeed. So that's why we need to address that. And the last thing that we need to address is any sort of perfectionism. All right. And I get this because I like to make sure everything looks nice, is perfect. I get it. Okay. You guys, I totally understand. But the reason why we need to address this is because typically people are waiting until they're ready, right? I'm waiting until I feel ready to create this thing, until everything is perfect, right? And so the reality is readiness is a byproduct of taking action, right? I'm not going to be ready until I'm consistently taking that action. And people that are highly successful know at the beginning, they're not going to have all the answers. It's not going to be perfect because a huge part of success is figuring out what works, what doesn't work, and making the appropriate adjustments along the way. And so typically, this is also tied into any sort of belief system we hold around mistakes. And we need to step into this with the proper belief work to really make sure we create the space internally to proceed forward with taking imperfect action and not being really discouraged when something doesn't work the first time, but rather looking at it and saying, okay, well, it kind of worked here. People responded well to this, but these things need to be adjusted. Okay, so again, the three blocks that we need to address in order to create more money and success within our life is our ability to be seen, allowing ourself and our product or our service to be visible. We need to address any sort of belief system we may hold about success and money itself. And we need to address any sort of belief or way of operating surrounding perfectionism, fear of mistakes. That sounds pretty simple, right? The caveat here is everybody's going to be different, right? We all have different life experiences. So that's why in today's video, I have an attached worksheet. It's in the comment section that you can use to figure out what beliefs need to be addressed for you. What is specifically coming in play for you? And what behaviors can you materialize that will support the belief work that you're doing? So you're going to see in the worksheet, I go over each of these sections, and there's a few more sections, one on nervous system regulation and another one on time allocation. So we need to talk about these topics because, yes, I went over the blocks. Another component of this here too is our nervous system can be attuned to a lack of success, a fear of visibility, and perfectionism. So we need to address that. Our body needs to feel safe enough to also materialize these behaviors, take that imperfect action, and step into this new version of ourselves. So you want to pair this before you do any sort of belief work addressing these blocks. you're going to see the section in the worksheet surrounding that. The last section that I have is going over time allocation. And I think this is also a part that really prevents people from creating the success within their life because they are not managing their free time wisely. So we really need to look at the hours we have within our day, the time that we're scrolling on our phone, the time that we're watching TV, movies, just wasting our time doing tasks that are not productive, because what that is signaling to your brain is that your business and your success is optional. We don't want that, right? My business, my success, the income that I create within my life is not optional. It is prioritized. I deserve to succeed. I deserve to have money. I deserve to see my business flourish or my service or my product to sell out, right? So that means we need to allocate our time properly. One, from a productivity standpoint, I can't have a successful business if I'm not managing it properly and putting the time and effort into it that I need to put into it. But you have to also look at this from the perspective that your brain is watching you. The behaviors that you materialize are reinforcing your identity. So if we are not making the proper time for our business or our success, then we're sending a signal, a very clear signal to our brain that it's optional. It doesn't really matter. Okay. So that's very practical from that standpoint. I give you some questions to answer to see how can I organize my time better. So overall, what are we actually doing here? We're identifying the problem of consistently freezing and not taking the action that we need to create the success within our life. Now we're figuring out what actual blocks are not allowing for me to actually create the success. We're stepping in with the appropriate plan and we're allocating our time properly. What does that mean? We're going to take consistent, productive action, even if it is imperfect action. Even if it is imperfect action. Was that like Nike? We're going to just do it. Because once your brain starts to actually believe these affirmations that you deserve success, that money coming into your life is a normal, consistent experience for you, that you deserve to be visible, that your business deserves to be seen and to thrive, that you do not have to be perfect, that you can make mistakes, that you can grow, you can learn and create success within your life. Once you start gathering evidence of that, you're going to create that as your experience. Okay, so the last section of this worksheet provides you with evidence logs that you can fill out when you take those imperfect actions. A huge part of this too is also going to be discipline, right? Because this is beyond just the mental sphere. We're identifying the mental blocks, but the way that we get over those blocks is through taking that uncomfortable action and then sitting down and saying, okay, what evidence did I actually gather from this? So let's say I'm creating an online business, right? And I've been really resistant to creating a landing page for it. But I'm doing belief work around my business deserves visibility. So the first action that I'm going to take is creating that web page, right? So I sit down, I do my affirmations, I proceed forward with the behavior, and then I notice, you know what, that actually wasn't too bad. I'm really proud of the web page that I made. Now, what evidence is this serving that my business deserves to be visible? Right. So we want to log that. We want to really point our brain towards these things that we're doing to help it start to normalize these ways of operating. You're also going to see that I created an associated 10 affirmation meditation that you can use that addresses these 3 blocks that you may be struggling with when it comes to creating more success and money in your life. So the overall, again, action plan here is we want to regulate. We want to come in with the proper belief work. So that's those affirmations, which might be different for you when you fill out the document, which is fine. We're going to identify the action that we need to take. We're going to take that action, and then we're going to log the evidence that we gather through taking that action. If you can do this, you are going to be able to create massive success within your life. The only thing that is stopping you is these 3 things. Okay, so what should you really take away from today's video? Just do it. Take the imperfect action. Now, I understand that that's not very, saying that doesn't feel really nice when you find yourself freezing. Okay. That's where the proper tools come into play. You want to take this at a pace that you can manage, that doesn't scare yourself or your body into more avoidance and freeze, but it should be reasonably uncomfortable. Can you handle the discomfort? Yeah, we can when we have the proper tools. So I hope you gained some value from today's video. And again, the worksheet that I've created is free for anybody to access. Go ahead and check that out. And write a comment down below if you were able to implement these practices, use the worksheet, and create more success in your life. I'd love to hear from every single one of you. And until then, I hope you have a beautiful day, night, time, wherever you are, and I will see you all later. Bye.